Hi everyone, my name is Ananta and I'm going to show you what I know in Video Club. In Video Club, we have a cool app named VVideo. We use VVideo to do our videos. In Video Club, I learned so many things, but I'm only going to talk about my favorite one, the green screen background. So I will tell you how to do green screen background in VVideo. So to do a green screen background in VVideo is do a video which uh, behind you needs to be a green or blue background like this video. Drag it at the tracker and double click at the video or click E. Then when you click it, a crayon is going to be right there. So click on the crayon and click on your green or blue background. Then that green or blue background is going to be all black. So you need to search your favorite background by going backgrounds or go to stock media. I will do stock media. So then search your favorite thing. I did Great Wall of China. So this is much better. Double click on it. And there are some lines and shadows in that green screen bit. So let's fix it. Go to mask. And there are some smoke like a little bit, so let's fix that. Okay, better. And this should be solid white, but it is already solid white. So click on image and click save changes, and that's how to do a green screen background in VVideo. So my video would be like this when I do green screen background. In Video Club, we have a cool app named VVideo. We use VVideo to do our videos. So that's what I learned in Video Club. Thanks to my teachers for their inputs.